इश्यू जालो सॉर्ट आउट मिटलेन
इश्यू म्हाजो कांयच ना. म्हापसा MLA आणि अर्बन डेव्हलपमेंट मिनिस्टरा कडेन म्हाजो इश्यू काय ना पर्सनल. वॉट आय हॅड स्पोकन वॉज इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ नॉर्थ गोवा and also people of Mapsa. I have nothing against it.
You still maintain your statement?
No, maintain the statement or not maintain. See, every criticism you have to take it either positively or negatively, whoever wants to take. Lot of people criticize me on daily basis on Facebook, on so many things. So I take that as a positive criticism. What I spoke was the mind of the people.
That's all.
CM told that there shouldn't be fight and it is not good. I have not fought against anybody. I am konache against Zawadogna, konache against Ulongna. I respect Francis D'Souza a lot. He is our senior minister. As far as what I have said earlier, everybody is saying the same thing. Every person should take every this as positive. A lot of people, opposition criticizes us. Again, you have to take it as positive criticism. I have cabinet rank status. That is enough for me. When chief minister wants to make me minister, he will make. So, age in Hezata, then he gets little angry. So I feel I don't want to say anything beyond that. But I respect him.
But when you
मोठ्यान केन्ना उलयता कोणाचेरूच मोठ्यान उलयना शांतपणान सगळे सांगता.
सो तो उलय जाल्यार तूं उलयतलो.
म्हाका उलोवपाचें कारण जाय न्हू. आय एम नॉट अ मॅड पर्सन टू कीप ऑन टॉकिंग. ते म्हाका सांगला कितें सांगपाचें तें आपूण सांगता म्हणून आनी तो तुमचो भायर सरला. तुमी उलोवपाचें कांय ना.
तुमच्या भितर तुमचें कितें डिस्कशन जालें?
तुम्ही फेस टू फेस असले ते भितर
हय बेश्टो तो उसरा येयला न्हू.
हय
मग 12:30 वचूंक जाल्लें.
But issue
12:30 for his lunch. He doesn't miss that time.
Issues resolved जाल्या. Issues resolved जाल्यार डिस्कशन कितें स्टार्ट जालां?
चडशें कांय जावना. पूण आमकां सांगलां कितें उलोवपाचें आहा तें आपूण उलयतलो. तुमी कांय उलोवपाचें ना म्हणून.
तुमी उलोवपाचें ना म्हणून.
तुम्ही स्टेटमेंट करप ना एका म्हाका.
लोबो
उलयल्यार तुम्ही उलयतले नाल्यार तुम्ही उलोवचे ना.
लोबो म्हणटा की
differences no. If he has differences, it will continue, no. I don't have differences.
If Lobo has differences, it will continue.
आपणी जे स्टेटमेंटान
हांव कितें केल्लें तें म्हाजे लोक उलयता.
Is Michael trying to interfere in your constituency?
Everything is possible in this world. Only thing that is not possible is to bring a dead person to life. Once a person is dead, he is dead.